Hi, everybody. My name is Danielle Hernandez. I am a clinician in training at the University of Indianapolis Student Counseling Center. And we're going to be talking today about gratitude and how you can use it in your everyday life for your own mental wellness. In this webinar, we're going to introduce you to the benefits of gratitude. We're going to provide you with tools so that you can start working with gratitude in your everyday life right away. And we're also going to go through a brief gratitude exercise. So even before talking about what gratitude does for you, what is gratitude? So gratitude is a character strength, and it's something that changes the way we think. We start paying attention to positive things in life and less attention to the negative things in our life when we introduce gratitude. Some of the benefits that it has include reducing anxiety and depression and stress, reduces social comparison. So if you're ever scrolling through Instagram or if you're ever on TikTok and you're like, this person is prettier than me or smarter than me or stronger than me or funnier than me, it reduces some of that, instead helping you focus a little bit more on what's going on for you. It can also help you to improve sleep if that's something that you're having some trouble with, lowers your blood pressure, improves relationships, and overall it motivates us to make healthier choices for ourselves. So I could go on, but that's a good brief list of what gratitude can do for you. Most of you have probably heard about gratitude journaling, and that's going to be the first thing that we're going to try to encourage you all to start off with if you are interested in gratitude and bringing that into your life. So we have a couple of rules here about gratitude journaling. So why these rules? Well, there was a study that was done, and they tested out different ways to do gratitude journaling with different participants, and they found that this was kind of the best dosage, if you will, for gratitude journaling. So just 3 to 5 items when you're journaling. If you're doing bullet points, just 3 to 5 of those. Doing it 5 times per week instead of 7, that's really handy actually, because a lot of people try to do, whether it's journaling or exercising, anything that you try to motivate yourself to do, if you try to do it every week and then you miss one day, you're like, oh, might as well stop trying, right? So that's why the 5 times a week is particularly helpful. You're allowed to skip days or to forget days if you're like me. And the final rule that we want to stress is that you put your gratitude items into the format of I am grateful blank because blank. This is really important to help you start thinking about why you're grateful for the things you're grateful for. It's all well and good to put down in a gratitude journal that you're grateful for your family or your health or your education, but why are you grateful for those things? That really pushes you to think a little bit more deeply about those things in your life and how they impact you. So let's actually try it out right now. It doesn't take too much time. Once again, it's 3 to 5 items, so pretty easy. I can go ahead and do it alongside you right here. But you can feel free to grab a notebook if you'd like, grab a piece of scrap paper, or if you don't have any writing materials around, do it in the notes section. Oops, sorry. Do it in the notes section on your phone. Honestly, there are no excuses to not try out gratitude journaling. It's okay if it's not in like some pretty Instagrammable bullet journal. This is for you. And it's important that you have a really cool physical record of the things in your life you're grateful for. So I'll stop talking and let you all try out just 3 to 5 items. All right. I've written my three. And if you need some more time, you can go ahead and pause this video here. But yeah, notice that I continue to use that I am grateful because format. I'm grateful for the sunny day because it makes the trees look extra green. And that's something that I probably would not have paid special attention to had I not been in the habit of gratitude journaling. I'm grateful for my family because they've been extra supportive of me lately. And I'm grateful for my sketchbook because it's held up well over the years and documents my progress as an artist. Reading them out loud because I know my handwriting is not the best. But yeah, and one cool thing about gratitude journaling is the more that you get into the habit of using it, the more you're going to be looking out in your everyday life for things that you're going to put in your gratitude journal at the end of the day. You're always kind of on the lookout for good things all of a sudden. And if you have trouble remembering, you can definitely try setting up alarms on your phone or create a special time of the day when you dedicate your time to writing in your gratitude journal. That'll be something that helps to keep you on it. Okay. So now we're going to be going into our actual activity. And this is a savoring activity. So what is savoring and why is that related to gratitude? So savoring is a form of gratitude. Savoring is the conscious enjoyment of pleasurable experiences. It can involve looking forward to something in the future, thinking back on good times, or enjoying a present moment. You're going to need a snack for this activity. It can be a healthy snack, a not so healthy snack. I put popcorn on because I feel like most people usually have microwavable popcorn hanging around. So if you need to pop some of that, go ahead and pause this video and do that. But otherwise, anything that's hanging out is fine. It could even be a drink. It's a little bit easier to do with like a hard, solid food though. Go ahead and find your snack. You got a snack? Awesome. In this exercise, we're going to focus on savoring a present moment. This involves turning to our senses: sight, sound, taste, touch, smell. You can practice savoring on your own by taking in beautiful scenery on a nature walk, enjoying a good meal, appreciating art, or just listening to your favorite music and not doing anything else. So we're going to be working with savoring a snack today, a piece of food. So whatever you chose, I want you to start by holding it in your hands. Start by just taking time to look at it. We're not even eating it yet. Pay full attention to all of this thing. Think about the texture. You might even want to pretend that you're an alien from outer space and you've never seen this before. Explore every part of it with your eyes. Look out for unique features. If it's something that needs to be unwrapped, you can do that now. Hold it beneath your nose. Inhale any aroma that might arise. Notice what happens to you when you inhale. Now take it slowly to your lips. Just let your lips touch it. And then lick your lips with your tongue. Now put a small bit in your mouth without chewing or swallowing. Notice how it feels in your mouth. Spend a few moments enjoying the sensations. Explore it with your tongue. Now you can consciously chew or take a bite. Notice the tastes that emerge as you chew. Does the taste change at all? Does the texture change? And now swallow it. Take another bite and repeat those steps. Continue to pay attention to the sensations emerging from the food. Notice how you feel. And as you're doing this, take a moment to think about what you like about it and why you're grateful for it. So what did you notice about the snack or maybe drink that you weren't previously aware of? What did you learn from this activity? Thanks for checking out this webinar. If you were interested in this topic, contact the Student Counseling Center to see if they'll be offering a related group or workshop that you can attend. You can also visit our website for information about our resources and the groups and workshops offered. We regularly update it with the latest information.